Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hey, I'm there again now, people. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Social media. So, my people, in a video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person somewhat expressed anger towards at least one person. And that person, who you can hear in the video saying some words, was holding an object that is believed to be a machete. Now, in my point of view, whosoever that person was talking about, I think that person should be careful or stay far away from that person based on some words me and the person saying in the video. It's better to avoid some type of confrontations. Anyways, here's the video, and the viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Put on the machine.
Long me want put out upon the blood, gyal youth.
Put on the machine.
You know long me want put out upon your blood. You think I know? Yo, you think I know? From me mother work at Deja. Me want be the blood, gyal. Yo, I run me while you can run up for me. They don't fit back you. I am in blood. Sit down here. They don't fit blood back you. You are your for your blood. I'm going to sit down for that. And how long me want to beat your blood, girl? If I want you, I want more. Remember, who the one you have, yeah? One you have. Alright.
Alright, Fluffy, put on the machine. No war here. Seize the war. No war here today.
But people, in my point of view, whosoever that person was talking about, I think that person should avoid any form of confrontation with that person, just in case. See, no matter with the, listen, sometimes it's better just avoid certain things. So I say, you know, I don't want to topic right this about people. I really and truly hope whatsoever that might have been don't go any worse than what it already be, because that really and truly look away right there. So now please bear in mind that in this video I'm presenting to you a certain amount of videos that I saw on social media. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person took at least one thing. Look at the video for yourself. Observe. There's a video right there. And there's the person walking to a certain direction. Okay. Now, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that he confessed, or he said that he take the plantain. But people, I want you to look at this video and tell me if you see any similarity in this video and the video that I just presented to you. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
How we can do Let's make a go shoot and the money short like a weekend. And I am Mr. Francis and so it's too expensive. I get the back. I can see the back, I didn't know the back cost me. Right? And I get it.
So wait, tip the plantain.
I keep
That's so talk the truth.
Where do?
Yeah, no? Where do you tip the plantain? Take the plantain.
I take the plantain on the back. I I take the plantain on the back and you keep it.
Run, we have to see what.
Well, more than one person's me here say honesty is the best policy. You see what I'm saying? And I don't know why the person said certain words that the person said in that video. We noticed that the person was holding something as well. And we noticed the person's behavior, the way the person was moving as well. I should say moving, not moving. Anyways, let me know what you think. Now, my people, I am not confirming if it is true or if it is false, if these videos have anything to do with each other. But based on certain things that I see happen in both of these videos, I would like you to tell me if you see any similarity or if somebody cases similarities in these videos. Now, I am going to present a video to you that has been posted at different places on social media. Now, based on some comments that have been made different places on social media where the video has been posted, and based on how the video had been posted different places on social media with some words, I got the understanding that it is believed that a person who you can see in the video had been caught stealing. I got the understanding that the video had been posted at different places on social media with some words that are claiming that a person who you can see in the video had been caught stealing. But when it comes on to social media, I try to be careful viewing subscribers. You understand? So I am not confirming anything to be true or false when it comes on to this whole thing where it is believed that a person we can see in the video had been caught stealing. However, it really actually look away to see what and what the person removed from out of a bag, and me hear certain words being said in the video as well. So my people, but anyways, let me present the video to you, and I don't know where the video will be recorded. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
And the macaroni should go. One time. Yes, you said that to do with the design.
You touch two arms, you have a double toothpaste, you finish the perfect one time. You go all out to there, Let's still have any bag?
You're not free or taking a blood and you want? What is wrong with them?
Look how much she took.
The people, it look away. It look away. But me not confirm anything at all. Me just give the understanding me get based on how the video have been posted on social media, different places with some words and so forth. You see what I say? But if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person was being restrained by at least two persons, and the person who was being restrained by at least two persons had been brought inside of a type of building. So, my people, now, I think it is more than obvious that the person might have done something that resulted in the person being restrained by those persons and so forth. But I didn't get any confirmed information to determine what resulted in such a situation. At one point, the person even was trying to escape from those persons, viewing subscribers. I'm noticing that the person's hands are together certain ways. So I'm wondering certain things. But anyways, I don't know where the video was recorded during subscribers, and I do get the understanding that there were persons who were looking at what was going on when it comes down to the situation. So have a look at the video for yourself, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Now, my people, in my point of view, well, I assume that those persons did what they could to restrain the person without hurting the person to a certain extent. That's what I assume. You see what I say? And, I'm wondering who are those persons and what type of job those persons do. I'm talking about those persons who restrain the person during subscribers. You know what I say? Yeah, because based on what I seen in the video, like, close them away and support, I'm not totally able to identify who they might be or what type of work them do or so forth. You see what I say, my people? And another thing again too is that the person's hands they're together. I'm wondering what had been used to do that, all them things there as well. Yeah, so I think here's where I'm going to leave it though, dear subscribers. Big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?